Okay, guys, let's start the session. Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Am I audible, guys? Please let me know in the chat box. Yeah. You can wait for the 2 more minutes, guys. Then we can start. Mostly day after tomorrow, March, Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday. Today and tomorrow, I mostly talk about strings. So maybe day after tomorrow, I will give the introduction about the dynamic programming, and so then I will start. Because strings is very important concept, and so today and tomorrow I'm going to be finish those things. Okay, guys, fine. Let's start the session, guys. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, guys. In the morning session, I have explained about uh, sliding window, right? Sliding window, guys. Sliding window we have to do by two ways. In the question itself, they may give you some window size, and sometimes they won't give window size. They won't give window size. If, if they won't give, that means that is like a problem of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. If we can solve this question, okay. There is given one array. Let's suppose 1, 3, 2, -1, 7, -8, 9, 3, and -2. Okay. We want to find the minimum of, they have given window size as here 3, and they asked you to find the minimum of sum of substrings. sorry, subarray. Guys, in this means subarray means it is continuous, guys. Continuous. Okay. Here, what are the continuous three? 1, 3, 2, first one. Second one will be this. And third one will be like this. Right, guys? Fourth one will be this. And fifth one will be this. Right, guys? Like this. Right? Every three continuous elements, we take it as a window. Here, window 3. So that's why we have taken a 3 continuous elements as a one window. Right, guys? What they have asked? They have asked to find the minimum sum of subarray. So what we need here? We need two things. What is the thing? This is the maximum. So initially we take as a 0. Right, guys? And second one is current sum. The current sum. What I am going to do here? Here every element I am going to be add with this element, previous element. Let's suppose initially it is 1. So when we comes to here 3, what will happen? I am going to be add 1 plus 3. When comes to here, I am going to be add plus 2. So I will get the first window values. Now what I have to do? I have to remove the first element. I have to add the next elements, these 3. So 3 plus 2 plus minus 1. Initially we got one value, and after the add the next element, we will get the one value. We need to compare this to, and which is the minimum we have to store, because we need only minimum value. So that's why first we need to first window values. 1, 3, 2. This is the first window. We need to get this value. So how we can do? We have to take one for loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than the window. How much here window size is 3, and I plus plus. What we have to do here? Guys, every time we have to add this one. Current sum equal to current sum plus array of I. The array of I means this array. What will happen initially? Initially current sum value is 0. Right? Initially current value is 0. What is the year? 1, 3, 2, right? 1, 3, 2 minus 1. Let's suppose here. First it's once comes here. I will be 0th position. So current sum, what will happen? Current sum equal to current sum plus array of 1. So what will happen? 0 plus array of 0, 1. Value is 1. So current sum value will be now 1. Next what happen? I is going to be increment by 1. So I value here 1. So now what will happen? Again current sum equal to current sum plus array. In this case current sum is 1. 1 plus array of I. Here array of I means 1. So value of the array 1 index is 3. So now current sum is 4. Again it comes here, I value going to be increment by 1. So I value will be 2 here. So again comes inside. Now current sum equal to current sum plus array of I. So what will happen? 4 plus array of I here. I value is 2. So that value will be 2 here. Right, guys? So that means 6. So what will happen? Again I is going to be increment, but this case is going to be failed, because 4 less than 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 less than 3. This is false. So what will happen? After that, we take first window sum we got. First window sum, right? This is the first window sum we got. That we consider as a max. So that's why max equal to current sum we have taken as a like this. Right, guys? What we have to do? Again, we have to up to how many windows we have calculated? Only one window we have calculated. But still there are number of windows is there. So we have to calculate those two. How we are going to be calculate? For int I equal to, we have calculated up to window size. less than window. Here we have to take I value as a window. A window and I less than array dot length and I plus plus. Right, guys? What will happen now? Now we want to add the current sum as it is. Like current sum equal to current sum plus array of I. Guys, here what will happen, guys? Initially, up to now, here when we come to here, this current sum means it has added 3 values. Right, guys? Now again we are going to be the one more value. Now total how many values? Here you can see 4 values it comes. But we need only 3 values. What we have to do? We have to remove the first element value. Now we are going to be remove minus array of I minus window size. Right, guys? What will happen in this case? This is the 4th element we are going to be add, but we are going to be remove the 0th element. Right, guys? What will happen now? Now we are adding 1, we are removing 1. That means this array size will be 3. So if you continuously traverse this one, every time this current sum is always having the sum of only 3 elements. I hope you understand, guys. Now what we have to do? We have to check only the current sum is supposed to be, we need to store only minimum value, is it minimum? So what we have to do? We have to check whether which one is a minimum. Let's suppose here I am taking directly math dot minmap. Directly I am taking current sum and sum, and max. Right, guys? It is I am going to be stored. So what will happen, guys, in this time? Every time max will be which is the minimum, that is only going to be stored. Right, guys? So once we return after the for loop, we are going to be just giving this maximum value. This is the actual minimum of, okay, I will take it as, if you confuse with here, I will take it as a min here. If you confuse now, I will take it as a here min. So min here min equal to current sum of min. So every time it is going to be give only minimum value, which is the minimum substring. Guys, here you can check what will be the minimum substring. Minimum substring you can check -1, 7 and -8. What will happen in this case? -1 plus 7 minus 8. So what will happen, guys? -9 plus 7, it will give -2. These 3 only gives the minimum substring value. Right, guys? Let's try to implement in the Eclipse and we can check. Minimum of substring. Given window we have taken, right? Okay. Now what are the things we needed? We need one static method and it's supposed to return int value. The method name I called as a find. Okay, guys? Okay, what are the arguments here needed? I need only 2 things. First one is array and second one is window size. Right, guys? Window size. And what I supposed to take here? Here I need 2 things. First one is current sum. Initially I will take it as a 0. And int min also I will take it as a 0 initially. Now what we have to do? I need to find the first window. So that's why I need to run a one loop. Right, guys? So from start int I equal to 0 to I less than window size and I plus plus. So it will give the first window size, window sum. So what will happen, guys? What I have to do here? Current sum equal to current sum plus array of I. Array of I. It's always give continuously all the elements add to the current sum up to the first window size. Once that is completed, that means first window we have found we have calculated. Then I am taking as this min value as current sum. Okay, guys? Now what we have to do? I have to find the other arrays as other windows as well. So that's why I'm taking here window size to here I'm taking as a min value. Array dot length. Right guys? Here also we are going to be do like this, but this is already three sum. But here if we add the another element, what will happen guys? It is going to be total 4 elements. Now we want to remove another element. That one is the first added element. How we are going to be remove? Array minus I minus window size. Right guys? Now total how many elements? It always be only 3 elements only. Now what we do? We have to check always minimum value only. So that's why simply I am taking math dot min of current sum and minimum. It's always gives the minimum value only, which is the minimum. It will store that value in the minimum. So finally I'm returning the minimum. So we have implemented this one. Let's try it. Let's test this one. How we are going to be test? We are taking the one array here. What is the array we supposed to take here? What we have taken 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2, and minus 1. Sorry guys. Here minus 1, 7, minus 8, and 9, 3, minus 2. 9, 3, minus 2 we have taken. Okay guys. Now what we need? We need window size. So int window size equal to, we take it as a 3. Okay guys. Now we have to call this method, find method. How we are going to be called? We have to pass the 2 parameters here, array and window size. It is returning the one value, right? So minimum value is returning. So I need to store that value int min equal to that find method. So finally I'm going to check the print that minimum value. Let's check what does it mean. Check, it gives the -2. How it has given the -2 guys? What will happen initially? Initially you can check. I will debug here, you will understand. Okay guys. Okay, here you can check. Initially everything is here, window size is 0, or other things current sum, and here minimum is 0. Now I am going to be debug. You can check after what will happen guys. The first rotation current sum will be 0, the 1. Before it is 0, now it has added the first value. So that's why it is the 1 value. Okay guys. Next again what will happen? It is going to be added 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4. That's why it is a 4. And what will happen next one? Next one 2 is added. So that's why the current sum is 6. Right guys? This is the 3 elements we have added. So we have got the first window. So what will happen after that? It's supposed to be come out of the loop and we have to store here. Here you can see as of now minimum is 0. Now after again you can check F8. We will get minimum is 0 and wait a second. After this one minimum equal to 6. So first value will be got. Right guys? Now you can check here. Current sum is 4. How it will be 4? Because initially it is 6. So we have added -1. We supposed to remove the first one. So that's why this will be 4. Guys, understand how it will be? Before it is 6. After we have added a 1 element. So value will be 5. Now what we have to do? 4 elements now. We have to remove the first element. So -1. What will happen? 3, 2, 5, -1, 4. So you can check here current sum is 4. So after that we need min value. Let's check what will be the min value here. As of now min value is 6 here. You can check 6 because that is the previous one. Here it is not yet given. The math dot min value is not given. Now check now. Have you find it out? What will be the minimum value is 4. Before first window is 6. And after once we add, this window size is 4. So we are comparing here math.min. So it will give the minimum value. That minimum value is going to be stored in minimum. So that will be 4. I hope you understand. So this is every time if you go to next window, what will happen? The 3 is going to be removed and 7 is going to be added. So we are going to be checked. So in this way, it is going to be iterate entire thing, always store the minimum value. Finally, it gives the minimum value. Here you can clearly see the minimum value will found here. -1, 7 and -8. What will happen? -9 plus 8 plus 7, it means -2. So that's why we got the here output as -2. You can check here. -2. This is the what this is? This is the minimum of addition of the subarray with the given window. Here window size is 3. I hope you clear, right? I hope you understand this one. Okay, fine. And actually, this is the normal sliding window problem. This is normal sliding window problem. But there is another concept. Guys, I will give you some assignments. Like I have given some array. Take it as a minimum of yes. I have already told you when they have given window size, that time you have to use. Guys, you have to remember few things. They have given window size. And second thing, they have given continuous elements. Okay, guys. So in these two times, you have to use sliding window. Okay, guys. The assignment is minimum of multiplication of given window. Let's suppose is window size is 3. Minimum of multiplication of window size k subarray. Right, guys? And same way, the maximum of multiplication of k subarray, k window size subarray. These are the assignments. Guys, you have to understand one thing. When you do more number of assignments, that means your thinking capability will increase. So I cannot guarantee if I tell one problem in the class, in the session, I cannot guarantee you like the same question will repeat in the exam or anywhere in interviews. So what will happen if they give some other question? But if you already done the same assignment, same type of assignment, you already improve the thinking capability. So definitely you are going to be solved. Yesterday, 2 days before, I have given one array to find the depth of the array. So actually we find the question based on the only peak elements. But if you done the depth element, that means you are already strong. You definitely will get very strong in the binary search and 2 pointers. So in this way, if you solve more number of assignments and problems, you are going to be get very good at DSA. That is our ultimate goal. Guys, understand? Try to solve more number of questions. Initially, I told you how to pick the question. When you solve one question, you have to go to the similar questions. There you will find the number of questions. At least 5 to 10 questions you will find. Try to solve. Same questions will be almost same logic, with the little changes. Very little changes. So try to do like that. You will be very strong at DSA ultimately. Try to do this one. In this way, you are going to be solve at least 100 to 200 problems. You will be enough to solve crack any exam, any product-based companies. If you didn't follow this one, if you didn't practice like that, randomly take the question from the lead code and try to solve. If you solve 500 questions also, no use, guys. Because if you're not that much good at the fundamentals and the basics, like how to pick the question, to which pattern should follow, if you didn't know, then if you solve more than 500 questions also, no use. So if you want to improve your programming skills like that, you have to do more number of assignments and you have to do similar questions. This is the only thing you have to, only way to improve your DSA knowledge, guys. Okay. This is the one pattern we have to solve. And the second pattern in a sliding window. Yes, yes. I will tell you those questions later. Okay. In the sliding window, there is another pattern is there. Here already it is giving window size. Always they have given window size. But in some questions, they won't give the window size. But they simply ask, what they ask? Find the continuous array, continuous subarray. Continuous subarray. Let's suppose they may give you question like this. They will give you one question 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 4, 7, minus 1, 2, 8. Let's suppose they have given like that. They may ask you, to find the sum of maximum sum of subarray. Guys, here you can check. Here we are not given any window size. Let's suppose if you start from here, what will happen initially? It's a 1. After 1 plus 2, it is a 3. Here 3 minus 3, it will be 0. And 0 plus 0 is just 0. And then comes to 4, its value will be 4. 4 plus 11, 11. 11 minus 1, again 10. 10 plus 2 plus 8, it will be 20. Right, guys? Here you can check. If you want to find the maximum value, I no need to do from here. I just need to do from here itself. Right, guys? Here the size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In some other question, I will give you another question like 1, 2, minus 3, 0. Here I have given as a 4, 20 and minus 10, minus 30 and 10, 2. They have given like this. Now we want to find the maximum sum. If you do like this, what will happen when it comes to it is 0. If you go here, what will happen? These two will be 24. And if we add like this, what will happen? This one 14. Again minus 30, what will happen, guys? So that means minus 16. So minus 16, if you add like this, what will happen, guys? It will be again minus 6, if minus 4. So what is the maximum window here? If you take the substring of 4 and 20, we will get the 24. Here check the window size they have given. They are not given, but their window size is here 2. But in this case, window size is 5. So they don't give any window size. We need to find the window size, everything. We need to find the maximum sum. Let's solve how we are to solve this one. This is very important thing. This is the like medium to hard level question. This is medium to hard level question. This is one type of problem in dynamic programming. This is one type of problem. Now we are going to be solved with the cadence algorithm. This is we called as a. I will try to implement how we are going to be implement this one. I will show you. Let's suppose initially what we have to take. Initially we have to take two things. Initially current sum and another thing is initially we have to take maximum because I need maximum value, right? Now we no need to do any first window sum. Here you can see in the previous question they have given window sum. So that's why we have calculated the window sum, first window sum. But here they have given any window sum? No, they didn't give. So no need that one. We directly start with the 0. Int I equal to 0. I less than. Guys, what I have to do here? I will take initial values as array of 0. Array of 0 I will take. Here also maximum value I will take as array of 0. I will start with the 1. Because I have taken already 0, so I will start from the 1 here. Again, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. Guys, check this one. Previously, what we have done? We have done every time we have to just add current sum equal to current sum, and next element we are going to be add here. Right, guys? We are going to be removed because we need only windows. That's why we are removing. But here, what will happen? Just check, guys. We need always maximum. Maximum. Guys, if we take this one from here, what will happen, guys? 1, 2, minus 3. What will happen, guys? After this summation of these three, it will come 0. So, if it comes to here, 0 plus will be 0. If we can start from here itself is okay, because if we take from here also okay, but we won't take like that because this value will be is almost equal to this value. So no need to continue with this sum. We can omit. Let's come to here. Let's come to here. What will happen after 0 plus 4? It will give the 4 value. But that 4 value is always checked which is the maximum. In this case, maximum. If you compare from here to, we will get the 4 value. And the same way, we can take this value is enough because this is the 4. Both give the same value. If you want to give the window size, we can simply, from where it is started, we can directly take from here this index. It is enough because this value is not necessary because this value is less than 4. Let's suppose the sum of these three, let's suppose these are the, we can take it as a some element as a 3 or something. This is less than, so no need to take this one. Don't need to add, we can directly take from here. So I will show you how to do that one. Let's suppose I will take the current sum here. Int current sum equal to. So every time we have to take which is maximum. Which is maximum. Right? Because here you can check if you add like let's suppose the previous current sum is -1. Now I am going to be add let's 4. Then what is the current sum it will come? It will give. It will give 3. Right, guys? So we need maximum value. In that time, what is the use of taking, considering this -2 addition? We can directly take from 4 itself. That's why we are going to be take here maximum. Maximum of, like how we are take array of I or array of I plus current sum. I will give you an example, you will understand. Let's suppose, guys, here we can take one thing, -1, -2, 3, 4. This is the sample subarray we can take in. Let's suppose, what will the current sum here initially -1. If you take here -2, what will happen then? -1, -2, it will be -3. Right, guys? If we add this element 3, what will happen, guys? Up until there, all the value will be 0. And if we add this one, what will happen? It will be 4. So we need maximum. Maximum, how we get? If we add these two is enough, right? 3 and 4, we will get the enough. We will get the maximum value. So what we have to do? I am going to be compare with the two things. First thing, that current element here in this case, current element is 3. And previously add up to this one. Here you can check -1, -2 and +3. This all 3 gives the 0. 0 and 3. Which is the maximum here? 3 is maximum. So I am taking 3. Only 3. I am omitting this one. I know no need this 2. Because this is already maximum. I need maximum sum. Then what is the use of taking these two? These are not needed. So that's why I am taking from the 3 here. Guys, understand? I am taking the maximum of array of I plus current sum. That means current sum is adding every element and this particular array of I, which gives the which is maximum, that will give. Now its current sum is, it will, in this case it will give the 3. Guys, are you understand? Do you have any doubts on that? Please let me know. For the first thing, current sum, how I have taken, please let me know, guys. Yes, we'll tell you again. Guys, I need maximum sum, right? I need maximum sum. Let's suppose here -1, -3, 3 and 4. Okay guys, I have given one array. Okay, -1, -3, 3 and 4. I need maximum sum. But here we don't have any window size. Here they didn't give any window size. They didn't give any. Now what we have to do? Every time we have to add the current sum. Initially current sum is 0. When we add this one, what will happen? Current sum in this case -1. If you start with the -1, now again it will increment. We are going to be add -3. So now current sum is -4. Right guys, -4. Okay, now we are going to be increment this one. We come here. If we do -1, -3, +3, what will happen guys? This will give -1 +3. It will give, what is the value it is giving? It is giving the -1. Right guys? -1. After we, like here I'm not taking the max, I'm just telling you why I'm taking the max value. If you go next, add the next value, -1 + 4, it will give the 3. If we add from the 0 index to last index, what will we give? It will give the value 3. But actually, is this maximum? No, it is not maximum, because if we add 3 and 4, we will get the maximum here. Maximum here. So where we need to change? We need to check. Here you can check. We are going to be first add these two, and we will get the some value -4, and again this value here, this current value +3, right? It will give the one value, that is -4, -1. -1 is 3, which is the maximum here in this case. Maximum is 3. So that's why instead of the taking the subarray from 0th index, I can start with the second index. We will get the maximum value. Why maximum value? Because this array of I is maximum, more value gives than the current sum plus array of I. Guys, understand this one? Please let me know. Guys, when this element is giving the more value than adding the previous elements, then if we take this element, no use, right? No use. Because it will give the less value only. If we directly take this value, it will give the maximum value. So maximum value we are going to be add. Next element will get the maximum value. Right guys, understand this one? Please let me know in the chat box. Have you understand or not? Still have any doubts? Please let me know in the chat box. I'm expecting your replies guys in chat box. Guys, have you understand this one? Please let me know. This is the like dynamic programming. Okay. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do? We got here current sum. Current sum means where we have, what is the previous maximum one. If we add everything and we will get the one value, that is the maximum one. Now we got the current sum as a maximum of previous sum or current element, which is the maximum, we got that element. Now what we have to do? We have to again find the maximum value. How we are going to maximum value? We have to compare two things. Maximum with the current sum. We have to compare this one, which is the maximum, that is going to be maximum, right? Now we are going to be again check maximum with current sum. Current sum. So it will give the maximum value. Right guys? After the for loop, what will happen? We have to return the maximum value. Guys, understand? This is already we have done in previous question. We have how to get the maximum value from the maximum and current sum. Right guys? This is only tricky part. Current sum, how we have to take? We have to take which is the maximum here. Array, adding the previous elements, we get the highest value, or current value itself is higher than the previous adding the value. That is, in that way we are taking the maximum value. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. So in this case, what will happen guys? If you take this array, this 24 will be the highest one. Right guys? Let's check, let's solve this question in Eclipse. Okay guys, we'll do this one. Okay. What we have to take? We have to take one method, static method, and it's supposed to be written some value, right? That's why I've taken a int here. I'm going to be call a method. Guys, what are the needed here to find this one? We need only one array is enough. Right, guys? Before one, we need window, but here no needed that one. Okay, guys. Now what we have to do? We have to take few elements. What are the few elements here we are going to be take? Current sum. Initially it will be, we are initializing with 0. And next one is the sum. Next one will be, I will take it as a maximum. That is also I am taking as a 0. Okay, guys. I won't take as a 0. While I need maximum, right? I am going to be add as a integer dot minimum here. I will take as a minimum value. Guys, always remember one thing. If you want to find the maximum value, you have to take integer dot maximum minimum value. If you want to minimum value, you have to take integer dot. You have to assign with the integer dot max for the minimum. For the maximum, you have to initialize with the minimum value. This is the basic thing. Okay. Now we don't know window size, so that's why we have to directly take from here. Okay, guys, take from here. Okay, guys, here also, here in this way also we can implement no need array of 0 also we can take implement no issues. In this way also we can implement no issues. Okay, guys, and here current sum equal to current sum. Every time we are going to do like this. But what we need here in this case, I need which is the maximum, whether current sum or of either this one or current element we need. Right, guys? Array of I. This means the current element. Which is the highest one, it will give that value. Okay, guys. Now, guys, I am taking here. Okay. Now, what we need? We need maximum value. Maximum value, how we are get? Math dot max of same way. Either max, we are comparing with the current sum, which is the max that will be returns. That is going to be stored in this variable. Okay, guys, we have done almost. We are going to be just return the maximum value. Guys, here only we have only 2 steps, but this is the medium level question, guys. Try to understand. This is very, very important. Guys, understand this one. I have to clear on this one how I have taken the first one, math max and math dot max. Okay, here now try to check that one. Okay, we are taking the array here. What is the array I have given here? 1, 2, minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3 minus 0, 4, 20. 0, 4, 20, minus 10, minus 30, minus 10, minus 30, and 10, 2. 10, 2. Okay. We have given array. Now we are just directly finding the maximum value. We are just, for that one, we are just send the array. No need window here, because window they are not given array. So now just print the maximum value. Let's see what will happen, guys. Just 24 it came. How it came? What will happen initially? Let's check. One by one we do debugging, then you can clearly understand. Okay, guys, let's debug this one. Okay. Now, guys, you can check here. Initially, current sum equal to 0, and minimum, you can see maximum value is something is a minuses, because we are taken initially integer dot minimum value. So this is the minimum value in the integer array, integers. So that's why this is the minus something, 2 something. You can say current sum is 0 and I value is 0. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find this element current sum plus array of I. We will get the one element, right? Let's check. Here, what is the current sum, guys? current sum is 1. How it is 1? Because it is comparing with the 0 and this one, which is the maximum on this. 1 is the maximum, so that's why current sum is the 1 here. Guys, now we are going to be check which is the maximum or current sum. Here current sum is the maximum, so maximum value will be, current sum value will be max. Let's check. See guys, here current sum value is the 1 and maximum value is the 1. Understand? Now what will happen? We are going to be add with the 2 here. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Right guys? Let's check. It came here and check what is the current sum in this case? 3. How it is the 3? Array of I value is 2. But we are going to be add 1 plus 2 is a 3. This is the value is 3. And this value is 2, which is the maximum. 3 is maximum. So that's why current value is going to be stored with the 3. Now it comes to math.max of max and current sum. Which is the maximum? Here maximum value is 1. Here current sum value is the 3. Which is the maximum guys? Here 3 is the maximum. So you can check here. Here you can see maximum value is 3 and current sum is the 3. Fine guys? Let's check another one. Let's do again. Guys, you can check here. Current sum is 3 and maximum sum is 3. Maximum value is 3. After that, what is happened? Here you can see current sum is 0. Guys, current sum is 0. How it is 0? Guys, here you can clearly see current sum before it is a 3 minus 3. Its value will be 0 and array of I, this value will be minus 3. Minus 3, 0. Which is the bigger one, highest one? Is 0 is the only highest one. So that's why current sum is here 0. Right guys? Next we are going to be compare with the maximum and current sum. In this case current sum is 0. Which is the maximum? 3 or 0. Which is the maximum? 3 is maximum. So that's why final max value will be 3. Let's check here. You can check here max value will be 3. But current sum value will be 0 here. Guys, I hope you clear on this one how it is working. Guys, clear on this one, please let me know. I hope you clear. So in this way, it is going to be traverse every element. When it comes to here, 4 and 20, value will be 24. So maximum value here, it will be 24. So in this way, it will going to be run. Guys, clear, right? I'm not going to be again debugging. I hope you clear. Please let me know in the chat box. Yes, yes. Guys, you can see here. Wait, guys. I will show you here. Initially, I have taken the values here. 1, 2, minus 3. Right, guys? Initially, what we have taken array? 1, 2, minus 3 and 0. Let's take this one. Okay, guys. Initially, current sum is 0 and maximum also 0. What will happen? We want to iterate through everything. So when it comes to 1, what will happen? 0 plus 1 and 1. Which is maximum in this? 0 plus 1, which is maximum? That is going to be stored in a current value. Which is maximum, guys? Maximum value is 1. 0 plus 1 and current value. Guys, this is same actually. This is both are same. So that's why it is going to be directly store the 1 value here. Now current value will give the value is 1. Okay guys. Now what we have to check? We have to check maximum. Maximum of maximum and current sum. Current sum value is 0. But maximum, initially maximum is integer dot minimum value. So compare with these two, which is the maximum? 1 is maximum. So maximum will be 1. Okay. When we are here, we got the current sum is 1 and maximum value is 1. After when iterates I value going to be increment. So now it comes here. So here what will happen? Current sum again. Current sum plus this particular value, this value will be 2. And we are going to be compare with that element is itself. A of I, right? A of I, this is the A of I. Guys, what is the current sum here? Current sum is 1, 1, 1 plus 2. This is 2 and this value is 2. This is 3, this value is 3. Which is maximum? Maximum is 3. So that's why your current value will be 3. And come to the maximum. What we have checked? We have to check with the maximum with the current sum. What is the maximum here? Maximum here. Sorry, maximum here. This is the maximum, right? Maximum here 1 and current value will be 3. Guys, which is the maximum here in this case? 3 is maximum. So that is going to be stored in the maximum. I hope you clear. What will happen next? I comes to here. Now I comes to here. Now what we have to do? We have to do again check with array of I and array of I. We have to compare these two. What is the C value? C means like current sum. The current sum you can clearly check is 3. 3 plus you can check minus 3. A of I is minus 3. Minus 3. And this A of I is minus 3. This will give the 0 and minus 3. Guys, what is the maximum in this two? 0 maximum or minus 3 is maximum? 0 is maximum. So that's why current value now 0. Okay, guys. Now we are going to be check the maximum. We need maximum. The maximum will be maximum and current value. What is the maximum here? Here 3. Guys, I am always taking the previous value. Okay, guys. What is the current value here? Current value is this one. Means here I am taking every time last updated value. If you take here maximum is updated here. But if you take the current value updating here. Right, guys? 3 and 0. So what will be the maximum? 3 and 0. Which is the maximum? 3. So here 3. 3 is the maximum one. Okay. Now come to again. Again I will be comes to here 0. Right, guys? Now what will happen? We have to compare with C plus array of I and array of I. Guys, what is the C value in this case here? Previous one C value is 0. 0 plus 0 and A of I will be 0. Guys, what is the maximum in this two? In this two is 0. And what is the maximum here? Maximum we have to again check with 3 and 0. That means this is the maximum and it is the current one. It will give the 3. Okay, guys. I hope you understand, Sarvanan. I hope you understand how I am taking. So let's take, I will take just only here. I am only taking this thing was only minus 1, 2, minus 3, 0. Maximum sum is here 1, 2 only gives the maximum sum. That value is 3. Let's check it will come or not. See, guys, it came or not? Can clearly check here. It will came 1, 2. But here we have taken any fixed size, window size. No, we didn't take any fixed size. Guys, it is only 2 lines, but it is a medium level question, guys. Please try to understand. This is the one of the problem in the dynamic programming. This is the medium level question. Okay. The only thing to how to get the logic, you have to do more problems. How you are going to be doing the more problems? While doing the problems, if you take one concept wise, like here initially what I have taken, initially I have explained about only window. I have given one window size with I need sum. I am going to be solved. This is a very easy one. We are going to be solve this one. When I go to the similar question section in the LeetCode, I may found at least 5 questions. These all the 5 questions will be based on this simple one only, this simple logic only, but added very little twist will be added here. So if you do like that now, you may find you can easily improve your logical thinking. That is the one. That is the only thing you have to do. More number of problems in right way. In right way, only you can improve your logical thinking. Okay, guys. Guys, don't solve like more number of questions in LeetCode instead of following the one methodology. I am telling here one methodology. How I am telling? First I am telling the 2 pointers. Try to solve the all questions easy questions, medium questions, and hard questions, odd questions. This all will be, if you take the 2 pointers, it all will be follow the same logic. If you solve at least 10 to questions on this 2 pointers pattern, you will understand what is the common keywords from this one. So in the real examination, real exam like any level 2 or something, you will find that when you see any what I can say in the keyword, you will easily spot the exactly what type of pattern I should follow. This is the way you can easily improve. I hope you, Sanjay, you can do like that. You can easily improve your skills. Guys, this is the two simple things. One is sliding window and sliding window with window size. Second one is also part of sliding window, but not, they have given no window size. Guys, we are going to be solve these questions, more questions when we are going to be doing strings. Guys, as of now, I have solved at least like, I hope I solved at least 15 to 20 questions. Those are from the only arrays. Arrays with the I have implemented by using 2 pointers and this sliding window. Now I'm going to be explain. I will start the strings concept. Here also I do same things. 2 pointers and sliding window. Here also we are going to use same logics only. But here in this case you will easily can solve. If you practice these things now, you can easily solve. Okay guys. Strings is very, very important guys. In the real-time programming also we are using strings number of places. Okay guys, this is very important things. Let's start the strings now. This is the introduction, and tomorrow onwards we'll start the actual questions. This is strings. What does that mean? Always one group. In the second round, mostly they usually follow the one pattern, guys. Let's suppose I have already told you 3. Let's suppose they have given total 5 questions. That means they will be split into 2 ways. 2, 1, 1. Sorry, 2, 2, 2, 1 like that. They splitted. Here they will give you very easy questions. This will be the medium level question. This will be the little hard question. Guys, when you solve the easy question, you have to follow the optimize. You have to give the optimized solution. But in the case of the medium and hard level, if you solve the question, it's fine. It's fine. If you solve the question, it's fine. If you optimize the solution, it is very good. You may have little hedge on the other candidates. Okay, try to understand. If you know only brute force solution, brute force only you can solve by this question, it is okay. Medium question, if you solve at least one question, then 2 plus 1 questions you have solved, and 1 question you have given less brute force algorithm, it's fine. You will be maybe consider into the next level. Okay guys, if they gives you total 6 question in that time, what will happen? 3 plus 2 plus 1. So you have to solve the 3 questions in optimized way. These questions will be you can solve by brute force approach or normal approach. Anything is fine. If you done optimized solution, that will be fine. No, it's not like that, guys. What will happen? That is the different patterns. That depends upon the teams. Actually, we'll tell you the one thing. They have given 5 questions. They may give you 3 hours time. 3 hours time. Okay. Different teams will be there. One team has given 5 questions with the 3 hours. But here in the 3 questions already will be the at least 2 will be the easy questions. In the first 1 hour, you didn't solve even easy question. Then what is the point of giving the extra time to you? Because in the 5 questions you didn't solve in the 60 minutes, you didn't solve even one simple question, easy question. There is wasting of time to give the another 2 hours time, right? That is a waste of time, you and the examiner. So that's why some teams will do like that. And some teams what will do, they will give the one question initially, one question, 1 hour question, one question to 1 hour. If you that will be like easy to medium level. If you solve that question will be in 1 hour, they may give you another question. If you didn't solve the question in the 1 hour easy question, then what is the point of giving the time and give the extra question? That is the thing. Guys, I hope you understand how why they do like this. I hope you clear on this. Okay, guys, fine. It's not like always in my team. Will have exam in next week, right? I mean this week only for Thursday. This time those won't be given. They directly give you paper with the 5 to 6 question. You have to solve all the questions within the, I mean maximum questions within a 3 hours time. Okay, guys. I will start with the strings. This is a very important concept, guys. Most of the problems from the strings only. So we'll solve this. We'll try to understand what is meant by strings. Guys, as of now, what we have solved? We have solved the only question from the arrays. Only arrays. Only arrays. Let's suppose they have given one array, 1, 2, 3. Let's suppose we are do some operations to get the output. We perform the operations on only array this type. But now we are going to be perform on the strings. What does it mean by exactly string? The string means number of characters, right, guys? Strings means is also we can consider as a character array. Let's suppose A, B, C. Internally, it will be like this only. Let's suppose they have given one string S equal to ABC. Internally, it will be, guys, I'm telling you in a generic way. Not think about Java or something. I'm telling you a generic way. So ABC means what does it mean? It is A, it is B, it is C. Guys, generic way I'm telling, it's not specific to anything. Java or C or Python. Normally I'm telling it's generic to all programming language. So I can say number of constants we can take as a group, we can call it as a string. We call it as a string. Guys, before here we have some methods. Those methods are very important. First thing we need to find the size or length. Guys, in arrays, let's suppose they have given only array like this. How we are going to be find the, let's suppose this is the one array, ARR. We need to find the size of this one. We have to take array dot length. Guys, it is not a method. It is just like a variable. Here you can see I am not given any braces like this. I didn't given because it is the normal variable, final variable this is. But when comes to here strings, to find the length value, what we have to do? We have to call length method. Guys, this is the main difference. Here you can see after length I have taken this bracket, but for array case I didn't take anything here. I hope you understand. This is the very basic thing. Guys, check here. What is the size of, if I give s dot length, string dot length, what will it will returns? It is the size of this one. In this case, it will be 3. Let's suppose I have given one array here, array of characters of A, B, C. If I try to print this one, if I try to find the array dot length variable, what does it gives? It will give the 3. Guys, both are same, but in this case, it is the array. So that's why we are taking the final variable, length dot array dot length. In this case, we have taken, in a string case, we have taken method. I hope you clear on this one. I hope you clear on this. Please let me know. It is the only difference between the arrays and strings length concept. Here we have to give as a one method. There we have to give only variable array dot length. I hope you clear. Guys, 1 minute, guys. Be on the line. One. Oh, guys, are we clear on this one? Length, please let me know in the chat box. Guys, please let me know in the chat box. Are we clear right on this length, right? Guys, in the sometimes you have to use some predefined methods. Predefined methods. Here I am going to tell you very basic predefined methods. This will be very important. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Okay, here I am giving the one string. String s equal to hello. Hello, I have given. Actually, I want to do any operation on this one. Perform. Let's suppose I want to reverse this one, reverse this array. Can I directly reverse this one? Directly, I can't do that operation because this is the string value. I can't directly reverse. I can't do like this. What I have to do? I have to convert this to the one string, one character array. One character array, then perform the actual operation here, reverse operation, and after that I will convert again this char array to string. Guys, if you understand, if you want to do any perform on this one directly, that is not possible. So initially, sometimes in some cases we need to convert this to char array. Here to clear. So for that one, how we have to convert? We have to do one thing. S dot to S dot to char array. To char array. Guys, what will it will gives? It will give the character array. Character array. It will give the character array. Guys, what will happen? Initially, I have taken hello as a string. S dot to char array. Yes, that's right. S dot to char array. How it will be convert? It is going to be convert as a one array like this. It means it is H E L L O. This is the character array. And we apply the string. That means this one, this reference S dot to char array. That means it will be converted to like this. Guys, if you want to get the size of this one, what you have to do? I have to do only length. Only length, not method. But in this case, if you want to get, I want to get the length, I have to use this method. I hope you understand this one. This is very, very important thing, guys. Okay, guys. The next one. Sometimes I need to, instead of directly convert the array, I need to directly get that particular index, particular index of that particular string element. Let's suppose I have given here hello. I want to, internally it will be like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a second index element. I need second element. In this, for that one we can do two ways. we can convert to char array, or otherwise another possible way, that is s dot caret. Here we have to give the index. So it is internally called like this, so it will work like this only. Internally convert the char array and that index it will be given. Let's suppose I have given s dot caret of 0, means what does it gives? It gives the h. If I give 1, it will give the e. If I give 2, it will give the l. If I give 3, it will give the l. And if I give the 4, it will give the o. I hope you clear on this one. I hope you clear. Okay. What are the other methods? Other method is like index of method. Index of, here we are going to be give the char. Let's suppose I have given hello. I want to find the index of, like this is, I take it as a string s dot index of. If I give the index char, let's suppose I have given index here I value char, it will give what is the index of I. It's always give the first index, guys. It will give the first index. Here I is available, right? Sorry, here h, I'm taking h here. H is available. This index is 0, so that's why it gives the 0. If we send the e, it will give the 1. If you send as a l, it will give the 1. Sorry, 0, 1, 2. Here 2 is there. 0, 1, 2, 3. These are 2 is there. But if you give the first one, this method index of, it will give the only first one. And if you give the 0, it will give the 4. I hope you clear on this one. Okay, guys, index of. What is the next one? Guys, what is the next one? Next one is substring, guys. Substring. Substring means we have to give two things. Starting index or end index we have to pass. Let's suppose I have taken is here hello. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, what will happen if I give here start value 0? If I give end value is a 4, what will happen in this case? Please let me know. Substring, how it will work? It will start from the 0. Next end means the next 4 things it will give. First means H, next means E, next means L, and L. Guys, understand? I will tell you how it will work. Wait a second, guys. Guys, please wait on. Guys, understand? In this way, it will give the substring, guys. Guys, there are the number of methods is there. Like you can check in the console, you will find the number of methods. It's like a starting index or the starting index, end index, and you can give some other way starting index to like I can say how many number of things you need. That is also we can give. These are the number of methods. It is the one basic method here, substring. These are the very basic, guys. These will be enough. Guys, understand, to solve the questions, lead code questions, these are the enough. Guys, this is the very basic thing. So if I need, while solving the problems, if I need any other things, I will let you know. I will tell at the time. These are the really enough to solve the lead code questions. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I will be taking the real problems on strings And again 2 parts here. This is what are the 2 pointers? Yeah, those are no need. Is upper is lower, we can do directly, we can solve it. Those are not needed actually. 2 pointers and sliding window. Guys, I'm going to be take for the next 2 days, at least next 2 days, I'm going to be talk about this one. And the next day, I'm talking about directly go to backtracing and dynamic programming will do. Okay, that will take at least 2 days. So today is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Guys, I will do Wednesday. I will take 2 sessions, guys, like morning and evening, because Thursday you have the exam, right? So morning I will give you some questions, and evening I will tell you implement one at least application development question. So who are appearing for the exam, that will be helpful. Guys, who are not attending this exam, I will slowly I will tell you, I will explain everything. I will teach everything, but my aim is to some guys is attending for the Thursday is the next first exam, right? Like so that's why I want to give some idea, guys. That's why I going to take like this. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session now. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I've already told you what are the roles. I've already told you, right? QA, development, I'm back end and front end, and DevOps. I've already told you, right? Okay. Guys, you guys have any other doubts? Please let me know, guys. Guys, this is the like dynamic programming. Yeah, I will tell you, guys. While telling like dynamic programming initial days, I will tell you, because we are going to be store those values in some places, right? That time I will tell you, guys. In that 2-3 days, we can't complete all the things, guys. For the exam point of view, if you go with the exam point of view, so we won't solve all the questions. But I will give you some idea. You can easily solve. Like at least you will get the idea while solving the questions. I will do like that. But other things also, yeah. 2D array questions, that is also important, but we don't, if you are attending the exam, how can I, in a 2-3 days, we can't complete everything, guys. That's why, guys, this is the thing, guys. And after 1 month, again, they have conduct the next, I mean, my team will conduct. So be prepared, guys. Try to solve more questions. I'm going to be complete, another 2 weeks, I'm take to complete the entire things, right? The DSC and application development. So please try to practice more. So you will be okay. I will give you some practice questions. I will give you, guys. No need to worry. I think I have already shared in the group. I have already shared in the group. Please check. I have already shared some 2D array question matrix type. Try to solve this question. That is enough. Okay, guys. I'm ending the session. Please let me know. Sample questions to solve. Guys, what have solved? Guys, try to understand the thing. We will get the pattern in 3 ways, right? First one will be 3 easy questions. 1 or 2 will be medium level questions. Okay, I will give one sample question tomorrow. I try to prepare one question paper and will give you. And one maximum like hard level question. I will give you tomorrow, so you will understand. You have a 2 days time. You can try to solve those type of questions. You will get some idea in the exam, actual exam. Okay, guys, which I have shared you the first round. Try to solve the questions, right? I've already shared one like 20 to 30 questions, right? Try to all those questions. That will be enough to clear the first round. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session now. Thank you, guys. Bye.